Greetings, entrepreneurs and innovators. Welcome to House Lux Estate, your ultimate guide to business and technology. Nurturing a space where innovation meets practicality, we bring you cutting-edge content that ranges from property management to technology integration. Our channel caters to the curious minds of today, those who dare to reimagine the future of entrepreneurship. Through our diverse content, we aim to equip you with the knowledge and tools to navigate the ever-evolving business landscape. Today, we delve into a revolutionary approach to business planning, AI-enhanced business plans. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is transforming various industries, including business planning. It's a game changer, a revolution that is redefining the way we do business, and it's happening right now. Imagine a world where your business plan is not just a static document, but a dynamic, adaptable roadmap guided by a super-intelligent system. This is not a distant future. This is the present thanks to AI. So, what's the big deal about AI in business planning? Well, it's all about accuracy, efficiency, and predictive capabilities. Let's break it down. Firstly, accuracy. By harnessing the power of AI, businesses can sift through mountains of data to extract meaningful insights. These insights can then be used to shape business plans, ensuring they are grounded in hard facts and figures, not just gut feelings or hunches. Next, efficiency. AI can automate many of the mundane tasks involved in business planning. Think about sifting through financial data or market research. With AI, these tasks can be done in a fraction of the time, leaving you more time to focus on strategic decision-making. Finally, predictive capabilities. This is where AI really shines. By analyzing past and present data, AI can make accurate predictions about future trends. In business planning, this means being able to anticipate market changes, customer behavior, and even financial performance. So what does this all mean for you? It means that by embracing AI, you can create a business plan that is not just a document, but a strategic tool. A tool that is accurate, efficient, and predictive. A tool that can give you a competitive edge in today's fast-paced business world. However, as with all things, there are challenges to overcome. The adoption of AI in business planning requires a shift in mindset, an understanding of the technology, and an investment in resources. So how can you leverage AI to craft your business plan? Hold tight as we unravel this. Creating an AI-enhanced business plan may sound complex, but with the right tools and steps, it's quite straightforward. Let's take a journey together to uncover how this game changer can give your business the cutting-edge advantage it needs. First things first, you need to define your business objectives. The beauty of an AI-enhanced business plan is that it can be tailored to suit any objective. Whether you're looking to increase sales, improve customer satisfaction, or streamline operations, your AI tool will need clear direction. So take your time to think about what you want to achieve. Remember, it's important to be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, or as we like to call it, SMART. Once you have your objectives in place, the next step is to choose the right AI tool. Now, there's no one-size-fits-all solution here. The AI tool you choose should align with your specific business objectives. For instance, if you're aiming to improve customer satisfaction, an AI tool with predictive analytics capabilities could be your best bet. It can help you anticipate customer needs and preferences, allowing you to deliver a more personalized service. Next, you'll need to input data and parameters into your chosen AI tool. This is where things can get a little technical, but don't worry, you've got this. The data you input will form the basis of your AI-enhanced business plan. This could include past sales data, customer feedback, market trends, and so on. The parameters, on the other hand, are the rules that guide how your AI tool processes the data. For instance, you might set a parameter to ignore data that's more than 5 years old. It's crucial to ensure that your data is accurate and relevant. Now we're ready to run the AI program. This is where the magic happens. Once you've input your data and parameters, the AI tool will analyze the information and generate insights. It's like having your very own crystal ball, giving you a glimpse into the future of your business. The AI tool will use complex algorithms to identify patterns and trends, predict future outcomes, and provide recommendations. Once the AI tool has done its thing, it's time to analyze and interpret the results. This is arguably the most important step in creating an AI-enhanced business plan. The AI tool will provide you with a wealth of data, but it's up to you to make sense of it all. Look for trends, outliers, and any other insights that could impact your business. Use these insights to inform your business decisions and strategies. Finally, refine and implement your plan. Based on the insights from your AI tool, you may need to adjust your business plan. Perhaps you need to focus more on customer retention, or maybe you need to diversify your product range. Whatever the case may be, your AI-enhanced business plan should guide your actions moving forward. Remember, the goal is to use AI to enhance your business plan, not replace it. And that, dear friends, brings us to the end of our journey. Remember, an AI tool is only as good as the data you feed it. Choose your data wisely. With a well-thought-out AI-enhanced business plan, the future of your business looks brighter than ever, so go forth and conquer. Let's recap the essential points we've covered today. The integration of artificial intelligence into business planning is not just a trend, it's a game-changing revolution. It's like having a super-powered assistant that can process vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make predictions with a precision that's simply not possible for a human analyst. The key to unlocking this potential lies in the steps we discussed. First, clearly define your business objectives. This is what will guide your AI's learning and ensure it's working towards the right goals. Then, select the right AI tools and technologies. Remember, not all AI is created equal. You need to choose the ones that are suited to your specific needs and objectives. The third step is the integration of AI into your business plan. This isn't about replacing your existing strategies, but enhancing them. Let AI handle the heavy lifting of data analysis so you can focus on the strategic decision-making. And finally, remember the importance of quality data. Your AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. So, always ensure that you're feeding it accurate, comprehensive, and up-to-date information. With these steps, you're well on your way to crafting a precise, efficient, and AI-enhanced business plan. We've journeyed through the exciting world of AI-enhanced business planning today. It's a realm that's transforming the landscape of business as we know it, making our tasks more streamlined, efficient, and data-driven. And guess what? You're now equipped to be a part of this revolution. Take the leap. Explore the myriad of AI tools available at your fingertips. Apply the steps we've discussed, from identifying your needs, selecting the right AI solution, to integrating it effectively into your business plan. Remember, the power of AI lies in how you harness it. Let this not be the end, but the start of your journey in the AI-enhanced world. A world where your business not only survives, but thrives in its brilliance. A world where you're not just keeping up with the times, but leading the charge. Don't forget to subscribe to HouseLux Estate for more insights into business and technology. Here's to your success in the AI-enhanced business world.